Welcome back, Crammers, to question 20. Show that 5 1 over 3 minus 2 6 over 7 equals 2 10 over 21. We can change this from mixed fractions to improper fractions by multiplying the whole number with the denominator and adding that to the numerator. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. And we write the same denominator, which is 3. We write the subtraction sign and we move on. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 6. So that's 20 over 7 is equal to 2 10 over 21. Since they don't have the same denominator, we can't subtract here. We first have to find the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And we can use our calculator here. So we have 7 times 16, which gives us 112. So we have 112. And 21 divided by 7 is 3. And 3 times 20 is 60. So we can write here equals 2 10 over 21. Now that we have these values, we can find out what is 112 minus 60. We get 52. We have 52 over 21 is equal to 2 10 over 21. And we have to find the first multiple of 21 before 52. I can see that the first multiple before 52 is 42. And 42 divided by 21 is equal to 2. So I can simply write here 2 over 21. And 52 minus 42 is simply 10. Is equal to 2 10 over 21. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.